Hello students, today we are going to discuss basic characters of amines. Amines are considered as organic bases. Although number of organic compounds have available electrons or electron pairs, but they are not considered as organic bases. For example, in case of alcohols, lone pair present on oxygen atom. In case of alkyl halides or aryl halides, lone pair present on halogen atoms. In case of alkenes, pi electron present in between carbon atoms, and in case of alkynes, pi electrons also present between carbon atoms. But these organic compounds are not considered as organic bases. In case of alcohols, and alkyl halides, due to high electronegativity value of oxygen and halogen, this electron pair means electron pairs present on oxygen and halogen in case of alcohols and alkyl halides are not much available for protonation. That's why they are not considered as organic bases. In case of alkenes and alkynes, pi electrons are available, but these electrons are less available than amines and alcohols. That's why they are not considered as organic bases. These are not considered as organic bases. However, lone pairs present on nitrogen atom in amines. These compounds means amines, aliphatic, aromatic amines and ammonia also considered as base, and amines are considered as organic bases because they are organic compounds. What are the reasons? Means what are the evidences which confirms that amines are considered as organic bases? There are two evidence which shows that amines are considered as organic bases. First, amines accept proton from water and forms alkyl ammonium hydroxide, which on further ionization gives alkyl ammonium ion and hydroxide ion. In this reaction, amine acts as Bronsted base, means it acts as proton acceptor and considered as organic base. On the basis of ionization theory, any substance which produce hydroxide ion in solution act as bases. Since amines react with water, gives alkyl ammonium hydroxide, which on ionization produce excess of hydroxide ion in solution. That's why aqueous solution of amine is basic in nature. Second evidence, amine forms salts, soluble salts with mineral acids. Amine forms soluble salt with mineral acids, which clearly states that amines are organic bases. For example, primary amine react with hydric acids, means hydrogen halides, fluoro fluoric acid, bromic acid means hydrochloric acid, hydrofluoric acid, hydrobromic acid, hydroiodic acid, and form corresponding alkyl ammonium salt means alkyl ammonium halide. Secondary amine react with sulfuric acid form dialkyl ammonium sulfate. Tertiary amine, these reactions are given as example. Tertiary amine react with nitric acid gas, alkyl ammonium salt. These salts are soluble in water and forms free alkyl ammonium ion and negative ion. Due to formation of alkyl ammonium ion and their stability, amines are considered as organic bases. The next concept is equilibrium theory, means law of mass action. According to law of mass action, equilibrium constant for this reaction, for the first reaction or any other reaction in which amine react with water, equilibrium constant shows that value of equilibrium constant is directly proportional to the concentration of hydroxide ion. For example, if we take methylene CH3 NH2, CH3 NH2 methylene plus H2O, it forms CH3 NH3 positive, OH negative, which on ionization gives CH3 NH3 positive plus OH negative. If we apply law of mass action on this equation, we get equilibrium constant equal to concentration of CH3 NH3 positive, OH negative, and concentration of CH3 NH2 and H2O. On transposing, we get equilibrium constant into concentration of H2O equal to this much, means equilibrium constant into concentration of H2O equal to this much. In place of equilibrium constant and concentration of H2O, we can write another constant, means Kb, and this is called equilibrium constant Kb. As the value of Kb increases, OH ion concentration also increases. Means as the OH ion concentration increases, Kb increases. It means basicity of amine is directly proportional to basicity constant of amine. As the value of basicity constant of amine increases, basic strength of amine also increases. Since Kb and pKb related to each other, Kb equal to minus log pKb. That's why basicity of amine is directly proportional to basicity constant or inversely proportional to pKb value. This is the basic idea of basic character of amines. Now the next topic related to basic character of amine is structure basicity relationship of amines. Means how the basic strength of amine affected by different factors. For example, steric hindrance, inductive effect, and solvation effect. There are three major factors which affect the basicity of image, and these are inductive effect, solvation effect, steric hindrance, and also resonance effect. Resonance effect is applicable to compare the basicity of image between aliphatic and aromatic image. For example, this is the general structure of aliphatic primary amine, and here the structure of primary, secondary and tertiary amines are also written. We take primary amines aliphatic and primary amine aromatic. For example, aniline. Aniline is taken as a primary amine of aromatic amine, and suppose ethylamine is an example of primary amine of aliphatic amine. In both the amines, lone pair present on nitrogen atom, and this lone pair is available. This is available lone pair. Available means this lone pair is available for a proton. This lone pair is also available for a proton. But basicity of amine, is directly proportional to availability of lone pair for protonation. As the availability of lone pair for protonation increases, basicity of amine increases, and vice versa. This lone pair means lone pair present in aliphatic amine or ammonia in both the cases. In case of aliphatic amine and in case of ammonia, lone pairs are localized. This lone pair is localized. This is also localized. Localized means lone pair present only on the nitrogen atom and it cannot delocalize to the carbon chain. Means this lone pair is localized, and a localized lone pair becomes more and more available for a proton. Due to localized lone pair, ammonia and aliphatic amines are more basic than aromatic amine. In this case, this lone pair is delocalized due to resonance. This lone pair present on the nitrogen atom in case of aromatic amine is delocalized due to resonance effect. Means in case of aniline and other aromatic amines, means aryl amines, primary, secondary or tertiary aryl amines, lone pair is delocalized through benzene ring, just like this. This is delocalization of lone pair. And finally, this delocalization takes place in case of aromatic amines. Due to delocalization, availability of lone pair in aromatic amine high protonation decreases. This is the reason aromatic amines are less basic than aliphatic amines. As the number of benzene ring means phenyl ring increases, basicity of aromatic amines decreases. It means in case of aromatic amines like aryl amines, basicity decreases in this order: primary amine is more basic than secondary amine, secondary amine is more basic than tertiary amine. This is decreasing basicity of aryl amines, decreasing basicity of aryl amines. Basicity of aryl amine decreases in this order. Means as the number of benzene ring increases, number of resonating structure increases, and the total number of resonating structure in case of aromatic amines can be calculated with this formula: 3n plus 1, where n is the number of benzene ring. Benzene ring means in case of aniline, total number of resonating structure is equal to 3 plus 1 meaning 4. There are 4 total number of resonating structures for aniline is possible. In case of diphenyl aniline means NH this is secondary aromatic amine. In this case, total number of resonating structure equal to 3 into 2 plus 1 means total 7 structure. Total 7 resonating structures are possible in this case. And in case of tertiary aromatic amines, total number of resonating structure 3 into 3 plus 1 means 10 resonating structures are possible in this case. As the number of resonating structure increases, availability of lone pair present on the nitrogen atom in aromatic amine decreases. That is why basicity of aromatic amines means aryl amine. Aromatic amines are of two types. One is aryl amine, in which nitrogen is directly attached to the benzene ring, and other is an substituted and alkyl substituted aryl amines, and other is aryl alkyl amines. Aryl alkyl amines means some aromatic amines are there in which nitrogen is attached with alkyl group or an H2 group is attached in the side chain of the benzene. These amines are more basic than aryl amines. Means an substituted aryl amine and aryl alkyl amines are more basic than aryl amines. In primary, secondary and tertiary aryl amines, due to greater delocalization of lone pair, basicity decreases in this order. Means mainly more basic than diphenylamine. Diphenylamine is more basic than triphenylamine. Now the next factor is inductive effect. Inductive effect also affect the basic strength of amines. For example, basic strength of ammonia and aliphatic amines can be compared with the help of inductive effect. In aliphatic amine and ammonia, due to availability of lone pair, both are bases. But methyl group shows plus I effect, which increases the electron density on the nitrogen atom. As a result, this electron pair becomes more and more available than the electron present in ammonia. Hence, aliphatic amines are more basic than ammonia. This is due to plus I effect. Now the next effect is the solvation effect, which is very important effect, which affect the basicity of amines. Solvation effect can be explained as these are the structure of primary, secondary and tertiary amines. Primary amine, secondary amine and tertiary amine. Its conjugate base means when these amines abstracts a proton from the water, forms its conjugate base, means amine abstracts a proton and forms conjugate acid. These are conjugate acid base pairs of each other because they are differ by only one hydrogen. So this is conjugate base and this is conjugate acid. In the case of secondary amine, this is conjugate base and this is conjugate acid. Tertiary amine, conjugate base and conjugate acid. And Bronsted-Lowry concept clearly explains that as the stability of conjugate acid increases, basicity of amine increases. Means basicity of amine is directly proportional to the stability of conjugate acid. This is the concept used to explain the basicity of amines. Now, what is the effect of hydration on the basicity of amines? In case of primary amines, there are 3 hydrogen atoms attached with ammonia, nitrogen molecule amines or in conjugate acid. In case of secondary amine, means conjugate acid of secondary amine contains 2 hydrogen atoms and the conjugate acid of tertiary amine contains only 1 hydrogen atom. As the number of hydrogen atom increases, solvation also increases. Means solvation or hydrolysis. Solvation is directly proportional to number of H atoms. Solvation is directly proportional to number of EH atoms. In case of tertiary amine, there are 3 hydrogen. It means it is highly solvated ions. Okay, and tertiary amine conjugate acid of tertiary amine least solvent. As the solvation increases, basicity increases. Means basicity is directly proportional to extent of solvation. In this respect, basicity of amine in aqueous solution follows the order primary, secondary and tertiary. Now on the basis of stabilization of the conjugate acid, the basic strength of amine in aqueous solution, please note, basic strength of amine in aqueous solution means in water should be expected to follow the order. In case of aqueous solution, primary amine is more basic than secondary amine. Secondary amine is more basic than tertiary amine. What is the reason? In case of primary amine, there are 3 hydrogen atoms available for hydrogen bonding. This is primary amine, conjugate acid of primary amine. This is conjugate acid of primary amine. There are 3 available hydrogen atoms and the number of hydrogen bond formed by primary amine. There are 3 hydrogen bonds. Means primary amine, conjugate acid of primary amine is able to form 3 hydrogen bonds. But in case of secondary amine, as the number of hydrogen decreases, number of hydrogen bonding also decreases, means solvation decreases. That's why stability of the conjugate acid decreases, hence basicity of amine also decreases. Whereas on the basis of inductive effect, the basic strength of amine should be expected to follow the order, means just opposite to that of solvation effect. According to solvation effect or hydrogen bonding, primary amine is more basic than secondary, secondary is more basic than tertiary. Means primary amine, then secondary amine, then tertiary amine. This is the order of basicity order of amine in case of aqueous solution. But in gas phase or in non-aqueous solvent, means if the solvent is other than water, and amine in case of gas phase, hydrogen bonding, effect of hydrogen bonding is missing or solvation effect is missing. That's why basicity of amine depends only on the plus I effect of alkyl group. As the number of alkyl group increases, availability of the lone pair on the nitrogen atom or protonation increases, hence basicity of tertiary amine becomes more than secondary and secondary is more than primary, primary is more than ammonia. That's why basicity of amine decreases in this order on the basis of inductive effect. Plus effect I effect of alkyl group, basicity should decrease in this order. In this order is correct only in gas phase or in non-aqueous solvent. Non-aqueous solvent. In both the cases, this order is correct for decreasing basicity of amine. Besides these two factors, mean inductive effect of alkyl group and solvation effect, means hydrogen bonding. One other factor is steric hindrance, means steric factor also play very important role and affect the basicity of amines. On the basis of these three factors, observed order of basic strength of amine means aliphatic amine is secondary, then primary, then tertiary. This is the observed decreasing basicity of aliphatic amine on the basis of these three factors, means on the basis of solvation effect, on the basis of inductive effect, and on the basis of steric hindrance or steric effect. The correct order of decreasing basicity of aliphatic amine is the secondary amine, then primary amine, then tertiary amine. However, if the alkyl group is larger than methyl group, this order is correct only when the alkyl group is a smaller group, means methyl group. When R equal to methyl group CH3, then decreasing basicity follow this order, means secondary amine is stronger base than primary, primary is stronger base than tertiary, tertiary is stronger base than ammonia. But when the alkyl group is larger than methyl group, then effect of hydrogen bonding becomes less effective than the effect of plus I effect. And basicity of amine in case of ethene, ethyl group, propyl group and butyl group follow this order. When the alkyl group is ethyl, then secondary amine is stronger base than tertiary, tertiary is stronger base than primary, primary is stronger base than ammonia. If the alkyl group is propyl group, then the basicity of amine follow this order. Primary amine is stronger base than ammonia, ammonia is stronger base than secondary, secondary is base than stronger base than tertiary. And when alkyl group is butyl, then this order is the correct decreasing basicity order of amine. This is all about the basicity of aliphatic amines and comparison of the basicity between aliphatic amine and ammonia and aliphatic amine and aromatic amine. In the next video, you will study about the factors affecting basicity of aromatic amines. That's all. Thank you.